Make a wish. Count to three.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of your imagination.
Hey up! Alright! How's that doing? Freddy here, Yorkshire alien, coming at thee from Clecudder's facts. Listen, some of you folks been asking us, how does that talk when gob don't move? What do it all telepathically, don't I? I mean, shifting the gob, it's so last millennia. You're not right. Get with program, you barn pots. Shifting your mush is just a waste of time, ain't it? Any road up, thou's not gonna believe week I've had. Proper weird, I tell thee. I've been watching something today that calls telly. Where? It's crackers. You humans, you're not reading head. I swear, that's not reading head. I watched a programme, right, called One Bone Every Minute. So get this. There's this woman, right, and she were on bed, her legs akimbo, and yawping and turning their blue like a newer from Halifax. That's not mad bit, no. 6 hours she were in this state, and then get this. She only goes and pops a young'un out at front bottom oil. I've never seen no like it. Seriously, a young'un out at front bottom oil. It was like she were chucking a calf out at chuff. Weird. You lot, and you're so behind us, it's unreal. I mean, why would they put the sin through it? And get this, you're not right, honestly. I was away to butcher's, right, to get some tripe for a scran, and I sees this other human woman in a car. I mean, for starters, why are you letting women in cars? That's just not right. But this were daft bit. She were on a Todd, only wi' a bloomin' mask thingy on. They heard me. On a Todd, wi' a bloomin' masky thing on. I mean, what's that all about? Who's that kidding, love? Does thou seriously think that's saving the sen from thee? Get a grip, you daft apeth. Any road up. I've got to crack on, 'cause I've promised I'd worm next door's cat to eat. Gotta keep me hand in, haven't ya? So, ta-ta for now, and remember, good things come to those that nick 'em. See they?
Yorkshire! 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 Yorkshire!